Welcome to our guide on how to share your retirement announcement on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to begin composing a new post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options provided. 4. Choose Work from the list of life events. 5. Select Retirement to mark this significant milestone in your career. 6. Add the date of your retirement to commemorate this momentous occasion. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to move forward. 8. Utilize the audience selector to decide who you want to share this news with, whether it's family, friends, or a specific group. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to announce your retirement to your Facebook connections. By following these steps, you can celebrate the end of your professional journey and share your retirement with your social network on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to post about your retirement on Facebook. Share your retirement news and embark on this new chapter in your life with your Facebook community by following these simple steps. Stay connected and enjoy the well-deserved moments of relaxation and fulfillment in your retirement.